More than 40,000 Muslims had prayed Salatul Taraweeh at Masjid al-Aqsa, Palestine. And on this night, on the night of 27th of Ramadan al-Mubarak, I would like to request the Muslims of entire world to please pray for the oppressed and innocent Muslims of Palestine, so that they should get freedom against the cruel Israeli forces. May Allah bless the people of Palestine. May Allah bless those organizations who are fighting in order to liberate Al-Quds, who are fighting to liberate Baitul Maqdis and Masjid al-Aqsa. My all sympathies, my all good wishes, my all prayers, and my all sort of moral support is with the Muslims of Palestine. And inshallah ta'ala, a day will come when the people of Pakistan, when the Muslims of India, when the Muslims of occupied Kashmir, when the Muslims of the entire Muslim Ummah will pray together at Masjid al-Aqsa, inshallah ta'ala. Stay blessed, my brothers and sisters of Palestine. Lots of love and lots of prayers from Pakistan.